What's up guys, so in this video I will show you how to fix blurry text font in Windows 10. So just click on the start menu, type here clear, and best match is exactly what you should click on. So click on it and it will open a new window, and make sure this check mark is clicked. Now select option, what is best for you. When you will select it, it will give you more options, depends on your selection. So just select best one, what you should see on your screen. Click on the next, and you have finished tuning the text on your monitor. That's everything and what you should do. So just click on the finish and problem is solved. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.